Hi, and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to go over cursive, capital, and lowercase m. So lefties, tilt your papers, get ready to roll here. Alright, so make sure that you are holding your pencil between your three fingers here. Your index finger, your pointer finger, and your thumb. Those three fingers help you to have more control over your pencil to be able to make your letters the best they can be. Don't forget to write your letters at a slant. Okay, I'm going to keep my paper straight across so that you can see the actual strokes that I'm making on the paper, and you can imitate them on your paper. Alright, so with capital cursive M, the first thing we do is put our pencil right above the dotted blue line. You want to make a curve down to that dotted blue line, go up to the blue line, trace it back down a little bit to the red line. You want to make that line slant. If you can see, it's that my line is slanting just like those lines over here that I've made on the side. Now, the next step you want to do is you want to trace this line back up. Midway between the dotted line and the blue line, you want to start separating from that line. You want to curve up with your first hump. Come down past the dotted blue line, and then you want to make your second hump. Come down and make your tail. Now, try it on your own. Curve up, down, first hump, down, second hump. Now, notice that one hump is shorter than the other. That helps to give your letter the appearance of being slanted. You see the lines are slanting, and the humps make it look even more slanted. So, we're going to try this again. Right above that dotted blue line, that's where your pencil goes. You want to curve up. Stop at that top blue line, slant down to the red line, trace it up almost all the way. You want to separate, make your first hump, and then second hump, and then make your tail. Alright, while I'm making these, if you know how to make your letter already, you know how to make your cursive M's, go on ahead and start writing them yourself. Right above the dotted blue line, you put your pencil, curve down to the dotted blue line, curve all the way up to the blue line, come down at an angle to the red line, trace back up the line, and before you get to the blue line, you separate and start making your first hump. Make it come below the dotted blue line. Then make your second hump. Second hump is not going to be as tall as the first. And then you make your tail. Watch it again. Okay, so those are cursive capital M's. Okay, I think my favorite one is this one. My least favorite is that one. But anyway, keep practicing and they get better. Now, we're going to do our lowercase cursive M's. Now you want to start on the bottom red line and you want to slant up. You go up to the dotted blue line, come back down. That's the first hump. Go back up, trace that line back up, make your second hump, go back up, trace that line back down. 1, 2, 3. Cursive M lowercase has 3 humps. Start at the red line, 1 hump, 2 humps, 3 humps. Start it again. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so capital cursive M, lowercase cursive M. Make sure you practice on your own. And let's see. This M, is there any letter yet that starts that way? Nope. Oh, actually, yes. Our cursive capital B starts the same way as our cursive capital M. Same way. When you know which letters are similar, it makes it easier. It makes it easier. So those 2 letters have the same beginning. That's the first stroke of both letters. So keep practicing your capital cursive M's and your lowercase cursive M's. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.